And I may never have these again. The Bursting Rings of Fire from Black Hat. So I'm gonna have to look into these also. Into the OR they go. Alright, here we go with the Black Hat Burning Rings of Fire. BURNIN Rings of Fire. 12 double ring shots. Pattern shells. Pattern shells. Hard to find. Pattern shells. Pretty cool. Let's get in. Oh. I wish I would have looked at the date code on the original box on this. I wonder how old these things really are. Oh, it really doesn't want to get opened. I see. There's some glue. Alright. Very thick cardboard. Hey. 12. Look at that. They're all labeled for effect. How sweet is it? How sweet it is. Yellow outer with silver inner. The rest of them do. Red outer with green inner. Green outer with purple inner. Blue outer ring with yellow inner. Green outer ring with blue inner. Yellow outer with red inner. Red. Yellow. Green. Yeah, these cords are matching the inner ring. The color on these fuse cords. Silver inner with yellow outer. And it looks white. Heh, it might even be silvery. Looks like it has a little sheen to it. Red outer ring with a green inner. And there's a green capture. Purple. This one's purple And yep, green outer with purple inner. Yellow, yep, blue outer with yellow inner. Green outer with blue inner. That looks blue. Yellow outer with green inner. No, with red inner. Yellow outer with red inner, and that's a red cord. Okay, let's see what's going on inside. I don't expect there to be any different than the standard, but I have been surprised before. I like being wrong sometimes, you know. Oh, that's beautiful, BP. Wow. That's shiny. And sharp-edged. Wow. That looks cool. Oh, the inside. Is what you normally see in a standard shell. And that is thin visco, a paper wrap visco, and slurry BP primed. So these shells are pretty nice. You know, I'd say early thousands for sure. Probably mid thousands, I'm guessing, because early thousands and late 90s they're a little bit neater at their work, but this is still a legitimate ball shell. Look at the way that's crafted. The way those leaves are coming up. Little petals, I guess you'd call it. I don't know what the terminology is for that. Looks good. Do another. I expect the same thing. BP looks different. Anyway, still, true ball shells, beautiful thing. Okay guys, this is freaky. Looking on the shell as I was taping it up, and maybe you already noticed this ahead of me, but That is Department of Transportation. And I don't see a UN-033 with it. And there it is on the box itself. And there is a UN-033 down below it. So this still could be kind of new, okay? When you see them both together, doesn't mean that that was during the transition time, but it could mean that it was during the transition. But because they're doing that a lot these days. Also, they're putting out new product with DOT on it and a UN-033. Back in the day, I just don't remember them both being on during the transition. It was either one or the other, but where I was selling fireworks, there was no that wasn't a good example of what all there was available. So, but anyway, this could very well be legitimate. See, that I don't know anything about either. So, but these things look pretty damn old. But the place over there is dusty also. So, yeah, see, it's kind of nasty. They've been around the shop, and that's why they're giving them away, because they're so old. But you know, that's just the way they think. I don't think they're collectors of any kind. But, yeah. All right. Yeah. This is what Black Cat has been doing lately. So, you can see it on their torpedoes and some other things. But anyway, these are still legitimate ball shells. Very cool. $35 a box. Wow. Really. Okay. Yeah. Still, that's not bad. I've seen other things. They're for 12 ball shells. That's for premium ball shells. That's pretty much the going rate. They can be in between 25 and $35. So, yep.